Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on Wix. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in wix.com and press enter. Now you will either be taken into the official Wix website or your dashboard if you're already logged in. If you don't end up on your dashboard, you can simply click on the sign in button from the home page and use your credentials to log in. Now once you're on your dashboard, you can click on your account icon at the top right corner and from the drop down menu click on account settings. Now once you're on your account settings page, you will be able to find your first and your last name section. You can simply click on it and type in your desired first and your last name, and as soon as you type it in, your changes will be confirmed. You can change your name anytime you wish, and all you need to do is simply type it in and your changes will automatically be saved. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your account name on Wix. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.